Hi children, in the last class we discussed WH questions and auxiliary verbs. Let us try to connect both of them. What is, which is, who are, how did. We can make question frame using WH questions and auxiliary verbs. Today we are going to learn new topic, personal pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which stands instead of noun. Before we are going to study pronoun, we want to make out what is the noun. Noun is a name of a place, thing and person. Pronoun stands instead of noun. We are going to learn personal pronoun. What are the personal pronoun? I is also a personal pronoun. We. I and we are known as first person. Who speaks is known as first person. I, we. We can study the form of I. First position subjective pronoun, possessive pronoun, objective pronoun, reflexive pronoun. I, my, me, myself. We, our, us, ourselves. They are known as first person. Once more, I, my, me, myself. We, our, us, ourselves. Next we can say second person, you. Listener is known as second person. You, your, you. Yourselves, yourself. Subject is a singular, we can use yourself. It is a plural, we can use yourselves. Once more we can say you, your, you, yourself, yourselves. Next we can say third persons. He, his, him, himself. She, her, herself. They, their, them, themselves. It, its, it, itself. Can you think that it stands instead of person? No? Surely. We can indicate a child, we can use the pronoun it. It is crying. It is a boy. Okay? So, it is included in a personal pronoun. Let us say once more. I, my, me, myself, we, our, us, ourselves, you, your, you, yourself, yourselves, he, his, him, himself, she, her, herself, they, their, them, themselves. It, its, it, itself. They are known as personal pronoun. When we will write the personal pronoun, at first part I, we, you, he, she, they, it, subjective possession, subjective pronoun. Next, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, why do we call possessive pronoun? Without anything. Possessive pronoun can't stand without any words, without anything. My can't stand without any words. My pen, my book. We don't use my lonely. Yes, this is known as possessive. The pronoun try to possess something. Next, objective pronoun. Me, us, them, her, him, it. Last one, reflexive pronoun. Subjective pronoun, possessive pronoun, objective pronoun, reflexive pronoun. I, my, me, myself, we, our, us, ourselves, you, your, you, yourself or yourselves, he, his, him, himself, she, her, herself, they, their, them, themselves, it, its, it, itself. After we learnt, we can try to connect question words, auxiliary verbs and personal pronoun. Who are you? Who are you? Where are you? Where are you? What was it? What was it? Which is it? Which is it? We can try to make a questions using the words. So each and everybody try to study the meaning of personal pronouns. Otherwise, we can't use it properly in a sentence. Okay, let us bind up the class. We can see next class. Thank you all.